Hi, my name is and I'm going to teach you how to backside heel flip. So you need to know how to back 180 and heel flip. How to kick flip. Now what you're going to want to do, you want to put your feet like that, and you want to pop it like that, and then kick that way so that it does this. And then you want to take your front foot and land in nose manual and hold it there for a second. And then slam that down. And that's how you back heel. And this is what it's going to look like.